Looks like our tip was legit. I wasn't sure if we'd been punked or what, but if you look off in the distance over to my right, you can maybe catch a glimpse of Scottys Castle. Oh look, there's a campground here. I had no idea that they had camping back here. It's too bad it's closed right now. Wow, look at that. That is just beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like this. For those of you who don't know, Scottys Castle has been closed down since like, what, 2015 I think it was. There was, I guess, a huge flood. Was flooded back here, and the road got washed out, and the castle, there was damage done to some of the buildings here. So it's been closed to the public since 2015. And I guess from what I was reading on the internet, they're getting ready to open it back up later this year. Now, as you can see, Scottys Castle is built like a Spanish hacienda, and there is a 25-room mansion that's part of this complex. And unfortunately, we won't be able to get into or get inside any of the buildings, but we will take a quick peek, look around on the grounds, and check out the architecture, and I'll share with you a little bit of the story behind how Scottys Castle came to be. The story begins back in the late 1800s, early 1900s. A man by the name of Walter Scott, who later became known as Death Valley Scotty, using 2 souvenir nuggets of gold, he conned a New York banker into giving him a grub stake. As the whole thing turned out, Scotty was just running a big old con. But his buddy, Albert Johnson, didn't care. And Albert's wife actually encouraged him to build the castle. So, Scottys Castle, the construction on it began. And there you have it, a sneak preview of Scottys Castle prior to its official grand reopening by the National Park Service, hosted by your favorite sightseer. Until next time, this is Sightseeing Sally.
Special thanks goes out to all our fellow sightseers here on Patreon and PayPal. Without you, these videos wouldn't be possible.